My layers are all done. I am going to move my legend down because now it's in the wrong spot. So I've got that unlocked and I'm just gonna kind of move it into place for now. And then before I forget, I'm going to change the scale. We've just sealed it up. So let's see, let me check this. I forgot what size this is. This is 2 inches. 1 inch equals 50 feet. So I'm actually going to change this. So 50 feet. And then I'm going to delete this guy and then move this into the middle. See how it locks at the middle? It's so nice that it does it. And then this 50 feet, and then this is 100 feet. Okay, so now our scale is set. We don't have to worry about that. We've got hitting shift so it stays in place. Now we've got this part to play with, and I'm going to delete everything that I don't want. It's time to start designing. So for this, you can either open the layers, you can start a new layer. I want to keep part of this actually. I'm going to delete the slip blame. I'm going to delete a few of these guys. This guy, this guy gone. Delete some of this. And I'm going to make this, I'm going to reconnect this right here with my pen tool. And then I actually like the fact that this has like a parallel parking situation. So I'm going to leave that as I'm just going to drag it out a little bit. And right now, we're in this kind of design development phase. So it's okay that this is really loose. It doesn't have to be exact at this point. I'm going to also delete these buildings because I don't want those. And you see it takes the little shadow with it, which is really nice. And then for this guy, I'm going to delete this one. I'm just deleting these points because it's going to be easier for me to just use the pen tool to reconnect these. I think I deleted the wrong point. I want to keep the last one, this one here. So I'm deleting these. And then before I get too far, because I'm just going from memory right now I am ready to, so I've manipulated the street enough and I am ready to just copy and paste this into this other diagram. So I selected it and I'm going to kind of pop it in here on a working layer. And my park went away because it fell off the page. So I'm just going to rename this working. And then I'm going to lock everything else for a minute and I'm going to paste this in here on the working layer. And then I'm going to just kind of size it into place. You can see it's starting sort of about the same size, more or less. And we're just going to come and use it as a base to draw over. And then we'll come back and add some more features to it.